Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here, how you doing? In today's video I want to talk about things that I probably take with me whenever I'm traveling for a long time. And for a long time I mean at least 3 weeks and onwards. Uh, I do have things on the table, on my messy table, so I'm gonna show you. I will recommend bringing at least one of these, a mini first aid kit, which has some different kinds of stuff in them, like some gloves, some burn gel, and band-aids and all that stuff, which might be needed during your trip. You will and the next thing, there's those three things. The two big ones are vitamin C's that you might need for if you have a lack of fruits. And this little thing is a Swedish brand called Resorb, which is a tablet that you put in some water, and when you're dehydrated, you pop one of these in some water, and you will get the necessary salts that you might need. And the third thing, which is still in its packet, if you're out and about taking a lot of photos and movies and all that stuff, you might need some extra card for your documentation. And the fourth thing is a power bank. This little guy has helped me quite a bit, and it did help me on my trip to the Download Festival. This one helped me a lot. So you can recharge your battery while you're being out and about, so you don't have to get into trouble having no cell phone or anything like that. And the fifth thing that I don't have right now is having some extra cash on you, so you don't have to rely on your card, and that you can buy some necessities on the go as well, because some places don't take cards and all that stuff. And that's the end of the video. I hope you find it informative, and if you like the video, you can give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.